Right, now I've started work on some what we call working drawings or orthographic drawings, okay? So orthographic drawings is a series of views in 2D of the thing we want to make. So I've drawn a front view there, or I call that a side view rather, of the car. And my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start thinking about a different view that I can take. So I'm now going to do a bird's eye view of the car, right? So I'm going to pretend I'm looking straight from on top of that car. Now, if you follow this gridded paper, look and follow the lines up from the edge of where the car is, like this, and where the angle bits of the car are, you can now draw a view of the car from the top, like this. So that, if you look straight down it, is what you'd see if you viewed at the top of the car. This is what I call a plan view. Now the wheels, if you viewed them from the top, would just be, so if I take the edge of that wheel up there, look, just bring a line up, just light lines to show where these edges are, and I bring the edge of that wheel up by there, this wheel would go from there to there, and this wheel would go from, so straight through there, like, to there, just make sure I don't go the wrong way, to there. So that's the two wheels at the back, and the same at the front. So the front wheels would go from there to there. And this wheel would go from here to here, like so. And we'd also see the axles of the wheel going through the car, like so. So that's what you'd see if you looked from on top of the car. And then if I looked from this side here, from this view, what would I see? Well, viewing from that side, I'd see the back of the car. So, well, here's a clever little trick, right? If you bring a line across, and then you draw a line diagonally at 45 degrees, like so. If you pull these lines straight down like that, from where they hit, so you go across and down, that gives me the height of the wheel. So my side view wheel will be there. Side of the body will go from there and straight down and across. So my side view of the body will go from there to there. How many wide is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the other wheel goes across and down, across and down. So it goes to there. And I can see the back of the car, which is by there. Right, so that's my side view. So I've got a side view, a plan view, and a front view, or we can call that the side view if you want to. Side, front, plan view. These are called elevations. Well, this one's got a plan. These two are called elevations. Right, a couple of extra things we can talk about. If you want to show hidden detail, so that's stuff you can't see because it's halfway through the material, you can show hidden detail with a dotted line. So that's quite handy. You can show the axles going through the body of the car, like this. So they say that's going straight through there. You can also draw the center line, the middle line of a hole, which is a dash dot line, or a cross for the middle of a circle, like that. Quite handy to do. Another thing you can add to these drawings is you can add dimensions to them. Well, dimensions is another posh word for sizes. So, say for example, if you wanted to tell me that the diameter of that circle was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 60 millimeters, you could write there 60 millimeters diameter. You can put sizes on things like, say for example, the width of this bit of the body of the car. Nice neat arrow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And you can add all the dimensions you like. Don't put too many on it. Don't cram them all in. Space those drawings out a little bit. And you've got yourself a set of working drawings. Clever thing with that is I could put that in the post to somebody and they could manufacture the car for me and send it back to me if you wanted to. So that's a really nice drawing to be able to do. Remember, it's called an orthographic drawing. That's a good skill to learn, that is. Have a go, see how you get on.